Hi, my name is Anthony. Do a quick video I'm going to do. This is my Satin shirt, my business ethnic and possible working shirt as well. As previously placed, go with it too. That's all. Just a short video, I'm not going to do a long one. Just a minute and 30 seconds. Just a minute, I think. Watching the daily wearing video on YouTube. Here's the best. There's a quitting Target. No longer doing Target anymore. Doing YouTube work for other people as well. That's how I do. PC building. I got it going now. So in the Jeffy, in the Civic, Satin t-shirt or button out shirt. I got it going now. Bye.